You clicked on this video to learn how to get Csgo stretched res. Well, here it is. So the first step is going over and right-clicking on your desktop and clicking on AMD Radeon settings. After that, you want to head over to display, which is on the top right corner. Find scaling mode, which is right here, and make sure it is on full panel. After it's on full panel, make your way to the bottom left tab where it says gaming. Find your game Csgo, left click on it. Go over here where it says display scaling, make sure that is also on full panel. After this, you want to go and exit out of your AMD Radeon settings and boot up Csgo. From here, go down to your settings, go to the video tab on the top right, go down to display mode, make sure it's on full screen, go to your aspect ratio, put it on 4:3. Go down to resolution and make sure it's at the highest level it is. Then you can click save. If this video did help you out, consider subscribing. Anyways, thanks for watching.